Trouble with RTK for Earthwork Survey when you start working. Today, I will guide you through the whole process. Complete RTK Earthwork Surveying in 5 steps. Simple and easy to learn, even for the beginners. The video is a bit long, so hit follow and save it for later. The first step is to create a new project for the basic settings. Open the surveying software, SurveyPad, Project Management. Set the project name as Earthwork Survey. Select the corresponding ellipsoid parameters. Click on the projection parameters to get the central meridian. Click OK. To complete the project creation, the second step is to get fixed solution. Let the receiver lock satellites precisely. Use N-trip to get fixed with one click. For radio mode, please look on the previous episode. Step 3 is point correction. This step is the key to ensure the accuracy of earthwork survey. First, enter the points database in project interface. Select Add. Enter the 2 control points given by the project. Set the name as control point 1. Enter the coordinate information. Choose the property type as control point. Then input the second control point in the same way. Return to the project interface. Calculate the conversion parameters in localization. Click Add and select our control point 1 as known point. Then go to control point 1 and click the positioning icon to collect GNSS point coordinates. After collection, click OK. Repeat the above steps for control point 2. After collection, select these 2 points, then calculate. You can see that the calculation result meets our standard, and then it can be directly applied. Step 4 is to measure earthwork data. The core is to collect feature points. Take this pile of soil as an example. Focus on measuring the edge points and surface feature points. Trace the stockpile edge and pick up points one by one. Then collect some obvious feature points. The denser the points, the more accurate the earthwork volume calculation will be. Last step, earthwork volume calculation. Select volume calculation in the tools interface. Add a new triangulation file. Select the earthwork surface data just collected in the database. Click OK. Use Preview Map to check the entire earthwork surface data. Then OK and select the file we just created. Click Calculate to get the result. And the software will automatically compute the cut and fill volumes of the stockpile accurate and efficient. Just 5 steps, and you've mastered RTK Earthwork Survey. Super easy, right? Other brands can also work with this whole process and help your earthwork survey efficiency gets maxed out. Follow and message me for more info. See you next time.